अमेरिका के शहर यूलस में DFW मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी ने कोविड-19 और कोरोना वायरस में अहम किरदार अदा करने वाले इदारों फ्रंट लाइन रिस्पॉन्डर्स यूलस पुलिस को खराज तहसीन पेश करने के लिए फूड ड्राइव एप्रिसिएशन मुनक्कद की, जिसमें सिटी ऑफ यूलस पुलिस स्टेशन के चीफ और बाकी पुलिसमैन ने भी शिरकत अदा की। इसी सिलसिले में हमारे नुमाइंदे मुनीर अहमद इस तकरीब में मौजूद थे। आइए देखते हैं कि वो क्या कहते हैं।
Here we are at Euless Police Station, Texas, USA. Frontline workers are playing an important role in coronavirus and COVID-19 epidemic. To appreciate their hard work, DFW local community arranged an appreciation lunch with them. This campaign was supported by local DFW community leaders such as Mubashir Waraj, dr.naveed, dr.raees Sabit.
इस तकरीब का एहतमाम DFW मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी मुबशर वरैच, डॉक्टर नवीद क्लियर, डॉक्टर रईस सबैत और दूसरे मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी रहनुमा ने भी शिरकत अदा की।
Serving this community for a long time, so please, Brother Imad, come and say a few words.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
I called Euless home 30 years ago, June 1990, when I moved to Euless, and I'm glad and I'm honored to be a member of this community. The month of Ramadan just ended, which is the month of giving, the month of peace, and the month of love. Today is the third day of the Eid al-Fitr, and I want to thank the Euless Police Department, first responders in Euless. Thank you all for keeping us safe. Thank you all for all what you do. Euless Police Department and the Fire Department are the fabulous part of this city. I want to thank you again for being here. I want to thank the community for coming forward and donating this lunch to the city or to the police department in Euless. Again, Euless is fabulous. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Brother Imad. So without any delay, I would like to call Steve Ruiz. He's a labor leader. He's been serving in many labor unions, and we are proud to have him over here. So please, brother, come and say a few words.
Thank you. I don't want it to be about me at all. You guys are out in the community. You see all the horrible things about my family as a long history of first responders. The situations you guys come across every single day is fighting the same kind of injustices out there that happen because there are people that fall through the cracks or don't get the representation. They don't get the services that they need. So I just want to say, if you run across somebody who right now has fallen through the cracks, they're not able to get to the food banks, they're not able to find work or whatever is going on, reach out to us at the Tarrant County Central Labor Council. During the last few months, we found people that just fell through the cracks, and we just wound up, we do have funds available. We just bought a whole truckload of food, sent it out, had people deliver it, drop it off, feed the kids, make sure everybody had what they needed to have, including school supplies. So if you run into a situation out there, need us to jump in and help out, give us a call. We're there. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So we are very blessed to have a renowned scholar, very motivational speaker, international figure, and he's a part of this Euless community too. We are blessed to have you, Mr. Talib. So please tell us.
Munzir Talib is one of our imams of the Muslim community in the Dallas-Fort Worth area.
Thank you very much for inviting us, for being here today. I don't have any tickets, so
You're clear.
God. I was in Richardson for a long time, but I came to Euless as soon as I can. I'm here. I mean, I'm like in the crack of Fort Worth and Euless. Speaking of a crack, you know, and I found out recently that I am in Fort Worth, but I live in Euless. I understand that, but anyway, really appreciate. We all appreciate what you guys are doing, and if I want to do just a small prayer, if you allow me, you know, oh Lord, we thank you all. Thank you for allowing us to be in service for our community. We're asking you to protect our first responders. We're asking you to protect all of us from this pandemic. We we're asking you to bring harmony and bring our hearts together to be among those who will be utilized for the help of the others. Amen. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So we would like if Chief will say some words for our knowledge or anything, any precautions with the citizen, because here are community leaders. If you want to say some word to us, any instructions or anything.
So I would just thank you. I think we enjoy a good relationship with all of our faith-based organizations throughout the city, throughout the area. We find that is a very vital and very important part of our community, and we want to make sure that we are responsive to that community and that our efforts go throughout the community to every segment, every person who lives here. We want to make sure that our ability to deliver service is not interrupted. It's been kind of tough the last few months. We've had to scale back the way we kind of do our operation, but as we move forward, I think we'll start adding things back to the way that we're delivering service, and hopefully before too long, you'll never notice there was a blip to begin with. So thank you for what you do for this community, and specifically thank you today for this lunch. Thank you, Mom, for being here with us.
Thank you. Thank you. So, Nelson is here. So we have just a couple more things left. It's very quick. So we are waiting one of the guests, but we will wait maybe 2 or 3, maybe 5 more minutes. But we have a very important figure of our Muslim community. He's a real motivator. He do a lot of good stuff. He did in Irving ISD, Irving's police department, firefighter department. A lot of good things he's doing in the community in Irving, and he actually motivated so many people in other cities. Dr. Wright, please come forward and say a few words.
Hey, how are you guys? Good morning. Good morning. How's it going? I'd like to thank Mubashir and the ULIS team here to put together this great event today. As you all know, we've just finished the month of fasting. Ramadan just passed. We started April 24th. And like we all say, COVID is contagious, but kindness is more contagious. So we wanted to spread kindness to the community. So we selected to go and give back to the law enforcement folks, to the police department locally in every city, go to the healthcare Baylor and to here, UNIS, and to the ISDs, and to the waste management folks really are not much appreciated in our community that much. So we started this, the folks started actually before the month of Ramadan. They started in Parkland, the veterinary hospital in Chalta. We said we'll go carry on and take it over. So we're very blessed to start taking over and start doing it in Hearst, ULIS, and Bedford area. So I'd like to thank you and the community. As I said, we always read about the cases of virus been spreading. Now we're putting a tracker for the kindness of people reaching out and a tracker for the kindness. So that's what we like the kindness to overtake the virus. So that's once again, on behalf of our North Texas Muslims, I'd like to thank you all for your service, for you guys what you do every day. You do it every day for us 24/7. We just wanted to give back one day a year, so it's
Thank you very much, Dr. Wright. So we have Miss Kim Olson. She's ex-Marine, ex-pilot, ex-colonel of Air Force. She's running for US 34 district now. We are very blessed and happy that you joined us today. Thank you very much for coming. I was reading your biography. I read so many good stuff about all the companion of, when she was serving in the military in Air Force. They said spoke very highly about you. You are a great leader. So welcome you here in US. So please come if you want to say a few words.
Well, thanks, Chief, for having me. Thank you for y'all's service. How many vets have I got in the audience today? Army? Army? Grew up? Not happy unless you're miserable, right? Marines? Any Marine? Not happy unless everybody's miserable, right? Right? Well, thank you for being frontline supporters. We've been doing mass drives for you all. So we've got extra large. I've got some sports one camo for the, there you go. All right. I didn't have any blue for the Air Force. I'm a 25-year combat vet, flew the KC-135, the refueling platform. I literally passed gas in the air. That was our job. Did time in Iraq, boots on the ground. Normally I did combat at 30,000 feet. I did it at 3 feet then, so I have great respect for my brethren and sisters that do that business today. Hope you guys had a good Memorial Day yesterday. It's a little solemn day, given what it is. Sometimes it's a tough business, Chief, doing what we do, so I thank you for being a first responder, being out there. And those of us that have, walked with boots on the ground, appreciate you keeping the streets of America safe, and it's a tough time right now. I brought some masks to donate to your group. I hope they were sewn by people who care about you. I have a bee mask, I'm a beekeeper too, so anyway. But again, this is the second time we've come and honored first responders. Thank you so much, the community that cares about you and the folks that work here. Thank you for gals that do this business. I hear you. I hear you. No explanation required. So, all right, Chief, this is for you. All right. Very much. They've been sterilizing today. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So Chief already spoke. So anyone else want to say some word? All right, I know. So let's conclude the program. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Chief.
In 05.
जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम। जहाँ पे हम चलता टीवी की जानब से जहाँ पे मौजूद है जूलस पुलिस स्टेशन के सामने, जहाँ पे एक जो है ना मुस्लिम DFW मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी की तरफ से जहाँ पे जो फर्स्ट रिस्पॉन्डर हैं अमेरिका के, उनको जहाँ पे खराज तहसीन पेश करने के लिए जहाँ पे उनको फूड उनमें डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया गया। हमारे साथ जूलस पुलिस के चीफ वो भी मौजूद हैं, और मुबशर वराज और दूसरे dr.naveed और दूसरे लोगों ने जहाँ पे तामन किया, जिसकी वजह से इस जो फूड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है इसको मुमकिन बनाया गया।